Hello, I'm back again with my another set of craft, and this craft can be used in multiple ways. You can use it to decorate your kids' room, or you can use it as a decorative item in your kid's birthday, and especially when you want to represent numeric numbers for your kid's birthday. It gets sometimes very difficult to figure out how to make that cutout, and how to customize it and how to decorate it. So you will find a solution to all your questions if you watch this video of mine till end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would suggest please subscribe my channel and keep watching the craft which I make, because you will be getting endless tips and tricks to improve your craft and to make something innovative. So let me show you what I am going to show you today. So this is number 3 which I made for my kid, and I have customized it as per my theme. My theme was transportation, so I have made the figures, and in my video you will see how I made each of these and how I have assembled it in a 3-dimensional figure. So keep watching.
To start with, we require a full-size carton box, and we need to draw the numeric number you want the cutout for. So I have drawn it from the two sides, and then by using the cardboard cutter I am cutting out my numeric numbers. Once the board cutouts are ready, we need to decide what height do you require for your 3-dimensional structure. Like here, I have used paper cups to give it a height. So I have pasted the paper cup at the base of one of the number 3 cutout, and then on top of it I have placed the other cutout. And now it's time to cover the gap. To cover the gap, I have again used the remaining cardboard pieces, and with the help of sellotape I have just fixed it all together. Now, as you can see, the basic structure of the 3-dimensional number is ready. So now it's time to cover up with a colorful paper. So I have used a yellow sheet, colored sheet here, and then I am trying to cover the inner side of my numeric number. And on top of it, I'll be using light blue color chart paper, and I'll be covering it from the both sides. And once I have covered the entire number, it's on you how you want to decorate it. As my theme was transportation, I have used it to depict a little road at the bottom and sky at the top. And you will also see the YouTube video of mine to make this little cutout for car, buses, sailing boat and a hot air balloon in my another video. You can find the link for it in my description box. To add extra strength to the structure, I have added a few pebbles at the bottom of the structure, and then I'm trying to cover up the entire 3-dimensional structure to give it a nice finished look. This 3-dimensional structure can be used as a decorative item or for your birthday, anniversary or any special occasion. I have used it as my centerpiece for the birthday celebration. Now it's time to make the cutout for name. So I have taken this alphabet cutout from the same cardboard, and I have pasted the colored paper on top of it. Now it's on you how you want to decorate it. So like I want to continue with my transportation theme, so I am using something which depicts transportation theme. So like for Y, I am painting it red, yellow and green to depict a traffic light. Similarly, you will see me that on one of the alphabet N, I will be making road by pasting small bit of white strip on top of it. Similarly, for the alphabet R, I have thought of making it like a zebra crossing. So I have again used white sheet to make those zebra crossing strips lined. Similarly, for alphabet A, you will see me using small bit of white paper, and I have tried to make it a finish line. So like in the finish line, you always see white and black check boxes. So I have done the same here. For the white work which I have done here using a paper can also be done by using color. It's all up to you, like which way you want to go for. So my number and numeric cutouts are ready for the party. These cutouts are unique in itself and adds extra glamour to your party theme. And you can customize it as whatever theme you have, and your guest is really going to appreciate it and love the decoration of your event. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great time. Bye.